So Peggy's been covered up for the winter. Just doing a few bits to her today. Check out a few bits. I've got a bit of problem with the roof that we encountered. Rest looks pretty good. She's been covered over with this tarpaulin, so should be good. But what I've got, if you can see, is that. See that? Oh, somebody caught the roof. They've caught the roof and then stuck this dodgy old bolt through it, which should be one of these. So this has allowed water into here. This was covered with some sort of plasticky stuff, but the wood in there is rotted, which holds all the skirt up. So I'll show you inside. So there you go. She snapped off there. And I don't know what she was glued in with, but I'm gonna try Evo stick type stuff maybe. So I just got to pop these off. See where it's broke down there. I have to cut this flush. Got another piece of wood in there. This is the bolt I was on about. That. This stupid thing. Whatever that is in there, I really don't know. Looks like it should have wood underneath that as well, so the wood's gone from underneath there as well. It should have something there. By the looks of it, can't tell the other side. Although it does feel like there should be something. This thing, I don't check this side. I'd have to check that as well at some point. But yeah, so I'm gonna pop all that off today, figure out what I'm up to, see if I can probably get that bolt out. I may even bolt all the way through to hold it. I've got some 2x1 like this. It's got that angle on it though, so I've got to cut that angle just to get my grinder out. Probably have to get a grinder in there to grind that all off. Taking them off because I'm not going to use them anymore. They were just for a cargo net that we used for a little while. So yep, that's it today for that. So that's the bolt out. You can see this alright. So I've cut this one off. Probably straighten it up a bit later, but I just want to get it out of the way and get a nice clean fresh bit of wood. And if you look down there, you can see, hopefully can you see it, there is another bit of wood that goes behind this bit. Looks like a 2x2. So it goes up in here. This is why this is all collapsed around. So I've got a fiberglass kit. I'm going to fiberglass this inside and then fill it on the outside. I've got coach bolt type things to go in there. It's just puts up when it's at certain length, so it should be up like that. I always wondered why it's a bit wonky, so it's kind of what it is. So I've scraped all that off, so I've got a bit of 2x1. I'm just waiting for some glue to turn up, so I'm going to glue it up there. I'm going to make it tight so I can probably just wedge it in there for now somehow. It's contact adhesive, so hopefully it will just stick in there. But I really think I need to tackle this first, leave all this out, and so I tackle this first. I mean it's winter months now, we're not using the van for the moment, so get a bit of condensation inside, but not too bad. I suppose it's going to, isn't it? You know, we're going to get something but that'll have to all be dealt with in the summer when it dries out a bit more. Doesn't look moisture inside, but as you can see, it's a dumping ground at the moment. We've not used it. Got other bits of seals to go on the windows and things like that to sort out as well. But this happened. I parked it up. I popped the roof up to clear out a lot of stuff, and this just broke away. You know, this piece of batten just broke off. So you can tell in the end it's just rotten. I mean, I just don't know. I wonder what they glue it with. I'm just not sure what that's been glued with. It's obviously, I know that's the white paint. Well, that's the glue. This looks like fiberglass, doesn't it? Does, I don't know. I'm going to try contact adhesive, and I may even bolt through the top of the roof, straight through the tops in a couple of places. I may just do that just to help, you know, double fix. I've got the same sort of bolts as I've got up there, so it wouldn't hurt to have them like spaced out, and I could do the same with this side. Just get up there, bolt it through. It's the same thickness wood. So up here, just go on the outside and do it that way as well. We're okay, I think. So that's it all bolted up. A new bit of wood at the back there, and glued and bolted, so it all matches on the outside. I've got to do the other side to match, so that'll be strong enough now for this to go back up and all be sorted. Didn't take that long really. Just drilled a few holes through the roof, sealed it all off so it's all sealed and done. That came out alright actually, so done. So I hope you can see that. It's all been put back in now, all bolted up and glued. So it's double safe. Actually found some of these nuts missing as well, so it's fiberglass as well. I just got to do the outside, finish the outside I've done. Then so all the insides all back, all tacked back up and repaired. I've put bolts in this side as well, so it matches that side, and if it ever goes I can just do exactly the same as I did with this side, and that's that roof repaired then. I think that's all we got to do. I was tacking it back up with my old gun, and yeah, it should be alright now, hopefully. And then I've just got to do the repair on the outside on the roof part. Obviously tidy all these up later on when I get a chance, get some paint. I've got some paint for them actually, and just rub them down, clean it all up, get it all back to normal.